Hi everyone, today I want to give you two short talk on the audio test 1. Short talk number 9. First, the speaker got attention of the passengers for some sprinter and he announced the 10:30 train to Springdale in would begin boarding in 5 minutes. So next, he commented, reservations were required for that train, so he suggested all passengers for Springdale went to track 15 then. After that, he announced passengers with small children would be allowed to board first, and suggested checking their baggage. Packages. So immediately if they hadn't hadn't done it yet. Finally, he commented each passenger was allowed to take only one small bag on the train, so all the other items, including large suitcase boxes, bags, musical instrument and pet must be checked in at baggage office. Short talk number 10. First, the speaker said good morning and welcomed people to the first lecture in their series, The Wonders of Nature. Then she announced in the 7 lecture series they would cover a variety of interesting topics such as insect life, exotic plants, desert ecology, life in the ocean, and more. And she commented they had a number of interesting speakers lined up. Next, she introduced that nice speaker, Professor Moore, who would tell them about exotic butterflies of Central America. After that, she announced before the talk, Miss Moore would show them a video taken on her recent trip to Central America. Finally, she reminded all the wonderful butterflies photos they had saw in display when they came in would be on sale at the end of the talk, and all proceeds would go to the Save the Butterfly Fund. Thanks for listening.